Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add the credit card payment on Wix website in 2024. So, adding credit card payments functionality to your Wix website is crucial for running an online store. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up credit card payments using Wix built-in tools and integrated payments provider. This tutorial also is perfect for those who just starting with e-commerce on Wix, and this will help you understand the basics of integrating credit card payments options. So follow along and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go access your Wix dashboard. To do so, open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, just type wix.com, hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. It's your first time, basically, you'll be taken to this page. Instead, click on login if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, instead click on get started. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you do so, you'll find yourself, as we said, in the dashboard right away. So to set up a payment method, of course, basically we'll have to access the settings of a specific website, depending on the website that you want to add the payments method into, or the credit card specifically into. If you don't have like any site yet, you can simply just go and click on create a new site and use like what you want to start with, like a blank, a studio templates, a Wix editor, whatever you want. As an example, I'll just go here, start from blank. So we don't have to customize anything as an example with the Wix Studio. So I'll just wait for the page until it loads and to show you how then exactly how to add the credit card payments into your Wix website. So all I need to do, yeah, once I am here, as you can see, I can start adding or designing my websites, but not what I care about at the moment. So if we go here to this left panel as an example, we have a lot of options. We can add a lot of elements, as example, layers, pages, global, and etc. So here, apps, markets, and etc. CMS, and even code. So if you go here to apps or app markets for the app manager, as you can see, you have a lot of stuff. You go here to app market, you'll be able even to look for more apps. As an example, you can look for payments like Stripe, as an example. I guess Stripe is already like added per defaults, I guess. No need to even look for the app. So let me just go and check that out. So if we go here as an example, let me just go close that, reload this page. And yeah, that's the settings or the site that we just create. So I'll just click on site, three dots. Then instead of edits, let me just go and look. So okay, I'll just go here and click on edits. So it's open again. I'll basically have to access its settings of the site, so I can simply just accept the payments or add the credit card payments on my Wix website. So let me just wait again for the page that loads. I shouldn't have closed the other one. So now at the top left corner, as example here, just click on it, click on sites, then click on settings. So once we go to the settings, of course, you can simply just access a lot of tools, a lot of things in here if you want to. So once we are on the settings of that specific website, we'll basically have to go to accept payments. Here's this, as you can see, first line on the right, click on accept payments. Once you do so, as you can see, you have here not connected PayPal and user and manual payments. So this will allow to accept cash, check, or other custom form of payments. And this is PayPal, which is PayPal. But where's credit card? Just go and click on see more payments options. As you can see, you have here Payzone, allows you to accept credits and debit cards, electronic checks, gift cards, and mobile wallets. Allows you to accept credit card, debit card, cash, e-wallets, direct bank transfers, and etc. So to accept the credit card or debit card, if you want like the default one by Wix, there is the Payzone and Payments Wall. So make sure to connect one of those two accounts if you have one. If you don't, just go and create a new one. Or if you have like as an example a Stripe account or something like that, as we said before, you can simply just go to the app market here, click on the app market, and look for as an example a Stripe app or something like that. Or you can simply just look for credits like credit card. So credits card as example app and look for, for example, an option that will accept the credit card payments. So if we go and click here on this app as example, so it seems like it has some good reviews. There even here video and will I guess show you how it works. Basically, it seems like this app will provide you with credit card payments. As example, on payments by this. So let's website visitors place credit card payments via PayPal, Venmo, Stripe, or Square without leaving your website. So yeah, seems good as example. So make sure to click on add to sites as example. As example, a green ad, and it should be added to your website right away, as you can see. So they even give you the widgets of it. You can click on settings to access or to change whatever you want. Make sure to join it. Of course, you can upgrade into a better plan. Here, the settings you can get paid with PayPal. You can get paid with Stripe, Square. Of course, for me, I still did not create an account for you. Make sure an account. Wait, sorry, you've been blocked. I don't know why. Maybe there is a problem at the moment or something like that. So for you, make sure to simply just go and sign into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, just go and create an account and basically you'll be able to do it. As I said, if you don't want to use one of the options that is in here already, which is, as we said before, either Payzone or Payments Wall. You can even click on Connect to Payments Wall if you want. Connect Payments Wall. As you can see, they even give you the instructions on how to do it. Enter the payments role credentials. As example, here we receive these credentials from Payments Wall, and also you can do that with the pay zone. So follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. You'll have just to get those informations, click on connect for pay zone, and for payments will you'll have to get these credentials, then click on connect. And you'll be able to start accepting credit card on your Wix website without any problems. So now once you add it, it's time to go live. And there you have it. You successfully set up your credit card payments on your Wix website using Wix payments. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.